Hello, General Math students. Here are your assignments for January 25th through 29th. Here is what is in Schoology. All of your assignments are in Schoology this week. Right now, they're all hidden, but they'll be published by Monday morning. I kind of put 5.1 and then 5.2 and 3 each in folders. They're all still there. It's just in a folder. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to watch this video before you come to your scheduled Google Meet. There is a question of the week at the end, so be ready to answer that when you come to your Google Meet. We're then going to talk about the practice quiz in the next slide, and then after that we're going to talk about so many problems. But again, both of them are in Schoology. So first we're going to talk about the practice quiz. We have 5.1 to 5.3 quiz next week. Have that right here. The actual 5.1 to 5.3 quiz will be next week. So here is the practice quiz. Like I say right here, you can download it into Notability and finish it. Do it. You don't have to turn it in, but you can take the quiz here in Notability first. But then what you are going to do is you are going to come down here to the Schoology practice quiz, 5.1 to 5.3 practice quiz, and this is where you're going to put in the answers. And you can take it as many times as you need to get 100%. This is going to help you get ready for next week's quiz. If you have questions, come to a Google Meet, either the scheduled one or one of them in the mornings, and ask questions. Once you are done with the practice quiz, then I'm going to have you do a little bit of a review. This is a review on order of operations. I have a worksheet called So Many Problems. And you're going to take this and download it into Notability. And I believe there are 20 order of operation questions. You're going to solve them. And at the bottom, there are blanks with numbers at the bottom. And whatever your answer is, you're going to put that letter right above your solution. Now, the big thing you need to remember is right here. There could be, I'm going to highlight it so you can see it. There could be more than one blank at the bottom for each solution. So, for example, down at the bottom, let's say here's a 13. Later on, there could be another 13. So be careful. I think there's 20 problems and there's more than 20 blanks down at the bottom. So look for repeats. Once you are done with this is the first thing you are going to do. Once you're done and you have the answer to the question, you're going to come down here to the Schoology quiz. And the Schoology quiz is just one question. It's the question on the worksheet. And you're going to type in the answer. And you're going to type it in all capital letters and no punctuation. Okay? Got to learn how to spell punctuation. So that is it. So the question of the week this week. Question of the week. Are you caught up on all of your homework? Check Campus to see if you're not sure. I updated the grade book Saturday night. So unless you turn something in on Sunday, the grade book should be up to date as of January, I believe it's the 23rd. So if you turn something in after that, it's not there. But double check, see if you are all caught up, and be ready to answer that question. Are you all caught up with your homework? This is what you are going to tell me when you come to your scheduled Google Meet. So, practice quiz, Notability, Schoology quiz, So Many Problems, Notability, Schoology quiz, and then are you caught up on all of your homework? That is your work. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you at our scheduled Google Meet. Have a great day.